Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Road Group of Keller Williams Realty, and the new stats came out for real estate for Orlando, and I wanted to interpret the data for you. If we compare the stats compared to the same time last year, they are very similar, very, very close actually. Inventory is still low. We have about 3 months of supply, so it's a very strong seller's market. Especially below 300,000, there's not a lot of inventory, so if you're a buyer, it's hard to find it. Sales are about the same as they were last year, and then the inventory went up about 100 homes, which is expected because a lot of people this time of year are putting their houses on the market for the spring summer selling season. The big change was in the interest rate. So the interest rate went up from 4% on average to about 4.39%. But that hasn't really affected the demand out there. In the marketplace, especially for homes below 300,000, on the houses that we're listing, they're being gobbled up very quickly with multiple offers, and a lot of them are selling for more than list price. We have one closing today that is actually selling for more than $20,000 in the list price. Now that doesn't mean it was listed too low. It was listed appropriately, but there's just so much demand out there, and there's not a lot of inventory. A lot of these buyers are fighting for a limited supply, and because of that, the pricing is going up. So the median price did go up again of 10% compared to last year, so that's pretty healthy. One of the things I want to talk about is the affordability index. So the affordability index right now is 133%. So what the heck does that mean? So with the affordability index, how it works is that if it was at 99%, that means that buyers who are making the state median income, that they would have 1% less to buy a medium priced home in Orlando. So we're at 133%, so we are fine from that perspective. A little bit interesting though is that first time home buyers, that has dropped, and that's down to 94.7%. So the interest rates are is going to affect first time home buyers because they can't afford as much as they would have if the rates would have stayed a little bit lower. I do expect the rates to really come back down again. We saw this this time last year, the rates were about 4.3, and then by September, they were down to 3.84. So let's hope we see that again. So where's the growth? Where are the sales occurring in Metro Orlando? The big winner is Lake County. Lake County saw a difference of 12% from this year to last year in the number of sales. If you compare that to Seminole County, which is a 4% growth, and Orange County, a 5% growth, Lake County is getting most of the growth. And the big reason is the Wekiva Parkway. So the Wekiva Parkway, actually at the end of March, is going to be opening up another section, another 5 miles, that's going to be connecting to the Mount Dora area in 46. And they're starting to already clear the land in Lake County up to the Seminole County border on 46. And within the next couple months, they're going to start clearing the land within Seminole County to make way to connect with 417. So with all that construction, there's a lot of activity. New homes are being built. A lot of resales are taking place within the Lake County area. Now, we did put together a website for you folks in Seminole County if you want to know how this new road construction is going to affect you, your neighborhood, and the value of your house. Right here, if you just go down to WekivaParkwayInfo.com, you'll find some information on that. Anyways, that's where the growth is. That's what's going on in the market. It's still very, very strong. It's a great time to sell your house. Matter of fact, the best time you could ever sell your house. From a buying perspective, you need to make sure that you are working with the right agent to help you find the properties before they come on the market. If you have any questions or if you need our help, please give us a call at the number right here, and we'd be glad to help you out, and hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks.